Are you tired of calling a plumber every time you have a minor issue with your bathroom plumbing? In this video, we will introduce you to some essential tools that will empower you to tackle DIY repairs efficiently. Save time, money, and become a handy homeowner by learning about these bathroom plumbing tools. One of the most versatile tools for any plumbing job is the adjustable wrench. With its adjustable jaw size, it can be used to tighten or loosen bolts, nuts, and pipes of various sizes. Whether you need to install a new faucet or fix a leaky pipe, an adjustable wrench is a must-have tool in your plumbing arsenal. When it comes to handling larger pipes, a pipe wrench becomes indispensable. Its gripping teeth and long handle provide the necessary leverage to tighten or loosen pipe fittings securely. Whether you're replacing old pipes or repairing a broken one, a pipe wrench will ensure a snug and leak-free connection. No bathroom plumbing toolkit is complete without a plunger. It's your go-to tool for dealing with clogged toilets and drains. A plunger creates pressure and suction to dislodge blockages and restore proper water flow. Keep a plunger handy to quickly resolve common bathroom plumbing issues. If you need to replace a section of pipe, a pipe cutter will come in handy. This tool is designed to cut through various types of pipes, providing clean and precise cuts. Whether you're working with copper, PVC, or PX pipes, a pipe cutter ensures accurate measurements and smooth edges for a professional-looking installation. Having the right bathroom plumbing tools can make DIY repairs easier and more efficient. By investing in essential tools like an adjustable wrench, pipe wrench, plunger, and pipe cutter, you'll be equipped to handle most common plumbing issues on your own. Remember, with the right tools and a little know-how, you can save both time and money on bathroom repairs.